In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to forward message from Discord to Telegram.
To start forwarding your messages, head over to ForwardMsg.com and click on Get Started. Choose your preferred login method, and once you're logged in, click on Start Free Trial to begin. First, click the Create Automation button. Let's give it a name like Discord to Telegram. For the source field, you can choose either a Discord account or a Discord bot. If you don't have admin rights on the server you want to copy from, select Discord account. If you do have admin rights, select Discord bot. We'll use a Discord account for this video, but the steps are exactly the same either way. Set your destination to Telegram and click Create. Next, we need to connect your Discord account. Click Select Discord account, then Add Discord account. You can log in quickly by scanning the QR code or by clicking Login with Token. If you need help finding your token, check out our documentation or our dedicated video tutorial.
In this tutorial,
I'll use the QR code here since it's super fast. Once connected, click Close, and then click Update Settings. Now, let's choose the servers and channels we want to copy from. Click Add Server. Notice that no servers show up yet? That's because our automation is currently stopped. Let's fix that by clicking the green Start button. With the automation running, your Discord servers will now appear. For this example, I'm going to forward messages from the Clash of Clans server, specifically from the Clash Chat and Home-based strategy channels. Select the server that you want to forward messages from. If the channels don't load immediately, just hit the reload button. I'll select just one channel for now, but remember you can add as many as you need. Now it's time to set up our Telegram destination. Go to Global Settings, click the Routing tab, and under the Destination field, click Add Destination. We need to connect a Telegram bot. Click Select Telegram bot, then Add Telegram bot. If you don't have a bot yet, no worries. I'll show you how to make one right now. To create your Telegram bot, you can follow our documentation guide or video tutorial. Go into your Telegram app and search for the @BotfatherBot bot. Click Open. Then click Create a new bot. Enter any name for your bot and also a unique @username. Click Create Bot. Awesome! Now you can click the Copy button to copy the Telegram bot token. Paste this token on the website and click Add. Great! You can now click Close. Next, we need to tell the bot where to send the messages. I want to use a specific group called Tutorial Group, but you can also send them to a private DM or a channel. First, one super important thing is adding our new bot to that Telegram group. Go to your group, click Add New Member, search for your bot's username, and add it. Once it's in the group, right-click the bot in the member list and select Promote to Admin. Save those changes. On the website, let's continue setting up the chat that will receive the messages. Click on Select Telegram Chat, then Add Telegram Chat. Now we need to provide the chat ID. We have guides on the documentation page and video tutorials teaching how to retrieve the chat ID, but I will also demonstrate it in this video. Go back to Telegram and search for the bot at ForwardMsg getBot. Send it the /start message. Click the menu button next to the text box. It looks like a little dice, and select Get ID. Choose Group ID, select your chat, and click Send. Note: if some options are disabled for you, try this on your mobile phone or the desktop Telegram app. The bot will return the chat ID from the chat you selected. Copy that entire number, including the minus sign if any. Paste it into the chat ID field on the website. Give it a recognizable name. Note that the topic ID field is only if your group uses topics, which we'll cover in a minute. Click Add, and then Save Changes. And that's it, your setup is complete. Let's test it out. As you can see, the first messages are already arriving in Telegram. It's working. By default, the messages show the original author's name at the start. If you want to change this, go back to the website and click the Formatting tab. Here, you can customize exactly how the message looks or even add headers and footers with links. Let's add a quick test header and save the changes. Check it out. The new messages now include our custom header. I'll go ahead and remove that for now and set it back to normal. You can also see that an image was forwarded. You can also forward videos, files, audios, Discord embeds, stickers, and more. You might notice that Discord replies don't show up as actual replies in Telegram yet. Let's fix that. Go to the Advanced tab on the website, enable Mirror Replies, and hit Save. Let's test it again. Awesome! Replies are now mirroring perfectly. Let's also forward messages from the Home Base Strategy channel. Click Add Channel and select Home Base Strategy. Let's check if it's forwarding. Awesome! It's working! Now, you can see that both channels are being forwarded to the same group on Telegram. This can get messy and confusing, but you can organize it properly using Telegram topics. Let's do that. In your Telegram group settings, enable topics. Now the messages will arrive in the general topic, but we will change that. Create 2 distinct topics, one for each Discord channel, and send a quick test message in each one so they register. Back on the website, go to the Routing tab. Let's configure Clash Chat first. Click it, then Add Destination, select your bot, and click Add Telegram Chat. Give it a name for the chat ID. Let's use the number we already retrieved. You can also use the bot at GetTheirIdBot or check our documentation to retrieve Telegram chat IDs. And now we need the topic ID. To get the topic ID, go to that specific topic in Telegram, right-click any message inside it, and select Copy Message Link. Paste that link anywhere so you can read it and copy the value between the slashes at the very end. In this example, it's the number 11. This is the topic ID we need. Copy that number, paste it into the topic ID field on the website, click Add, and save your changes. Now, messages from Clash Chat will route directly to that specific topic. If I send a message in the other channel, Home Base, the message goes to the general topic because we didn't set up the routing for that channel yet. Let's do the same process again. Select the Discord channel. Select the Telegram bot. Add a new Telegram chat. Retrieve the chat ID. Get the topic ID. And save the changes. Let's check it out. Awesome! It's already forwarding new messages. And there you have it, a fully organized forwarding system. But this is just the beginning. With ForwardMsg, you can filter messages by specific words or users, replace or remove words, add your own image watermarks, automatically translate text, and much more.
If you need help, you can talk to us on Telegram or by clicking on this button.
Thanks for watching.